Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of creating your own Flash token on both the ERC-20 and TRC-20 networks for this project. We'll need a small investment of 0.05 ETH, which will allow us to generate approximately 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. Let's dive in. First, head over to Remix and create a new file named usdt.sol. Paste the code provided in the description into this file. Next, navigate to the compilation section and select version 0.6.6 plus click Compile button. You should see a confirmation that the compilation was successful. Now let's move to the deployment section. Start by connecting your wallet. Wallet Connect, I recommend using MetaMask as it works more smoothly than other wallets. In the token name field, enter the name of your token, for example USDT. When you're ready, click the Transact button. A window will pop up where you should round your amount to the nearest integer to prevent any gas-related issues during transaction confirmation. Once done, wait for the confirmation. If everything goes well, you'll see a successful confirmation message. I'll show you the contract details next. We need to fund our contract. Copy the contract address and check the address in the Etherscan it's valid or not. Transfer 0.05 ETH to it. Remember, the minimum amount is 0.05 ETH. If you want more, you can insert like 0.12 ETH. Once confirmed, keep an eye on the balance display. Refresh the page, we unload the balance. Now click the Start button and again round your value to a whole number before confirming the transaction. When error message, increase the gas fee. Process the transaction when showing the successfully massage. You should see that your tokens are being created. The final step is to withdraw them. Just click Withdraw and follow the same procedure as before. Wait for confirmation. Once more, everything should be confirmed. Now let's check our balance to see that our tokens have been successfully created. We received just 50k Flash USDT. You can transfer any wallet.